Exclusive TH, giving out exclusive content. Yes, sir.
So like what I'm gonna be reviewing today is LP-E17 battery pack, and this battery is compatible with this like camera or this mode of Canon EOS cameras: Canon EOS RP, Rebel, T7i, T6i, T6s, SL3, SL2, 77D, 8000D and 800D, as well as 760D, 750D, 200D, which is the one that I'm using now, and it can synonymously be referred to as like SL2. Yes, and this battery pack, it can also work with M6, M5, M3, your DSLR cameras and many more, man. So what I'm talking about is the brand Beston. Okay, let me do this. Beston, yes, Beston LP-E17 battery pack, and these are two babies, man, two babies at once, you know. Now I don't have to struggle, or I don't have to stress about my power running out, you know. No, I'm sorted, I'm covered, and all thanks to this like Beston brand, and courtesy of Take A Lot, of course. Take A Lot. Most of my things, like, I buy them from Take A Lot because of like their delivery. They don't waste time, man, you know. They don't waste time. You get your things like in an effective and quicker, you know. And this comes in such a form, man. It's well packaged, and as you can see, this is the charger. You know, everything like it's so solid. It's a carry case, man. Oh, a storage case, very convenient. And I have searched for reviews about these battery packs here on YouTube, and I didn't find any. I couldn't find any. So like I decided, you know what, once I get these babies, I'm gonna do a product review about this. But for now, the batteries, I haven't really like used them, so I will give myself some time to best and to utmost use this battery to my best capability and ability, you know, and fully, so to say. So after that, I will come back and give a review about this product, Beston battery pack LP-E17 7.4 volt. Yes, I'm so excited, man. I'm so excited, you know. Like now I don't have to stress about the power. Everything will be running smooth, and like that means more content, you know. That means more content because now I have more power. The only thing that will be holding myself back is my laziness, but I refuse to be lazy. I'm gonna work on myself, and I'm gonna bring nothing but more interesting content, man. And I believe this will help you maybe to consider this brand Beston. Yes. Oh God, this thing gets me all the time, you know. Hey, but I'm gonna get used to it. Yes. So guys, thank you so much for your time, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please do subscribe. Please subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, thank you so much for your time. I love you so much, and do have a great time, man. It's festive season here in South Africa, and whatever the part of the world that you may find this content in, do have a great time, and do take care of yourself. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm out. Adios.